Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So I will show you the how to align the pipe and also how to align the fittings or pipe with fittings, pipe with elbow, pipe with flange. Okay, so this is not an actual, but you have an idea how to align the pipe and fittings. So first I will draw a pipe to pipe. Okay. Okay, so this is 5 and 5. So we have a gap and we have a double V. But anyway, our topic is for alignment. Okay, so this during fit up, make sure your alignment is very good and quality. So how to align this pipe? Make sure you have a tools like spirit level and also one square. Okay, this is an important and also a meter. Okay, so to align this one, just place your right angle, and so you have two right angle. Okay, so this is a right angle. Place it to the both top of the pipe, so top of the pipe and top of the pipe, and also from the side of the pipe. Okay, so let's say this is our angle, and I will put in the top, and then touch it together. Okay, so if from the bottom and from the top, if this is 0 0, it means one edge is touching, so this is squareness. Okay, so if this one, so this is not squared, and like this is not squared, so make sure this is touch it to each other. Okay, from the um, edge of the square. And another technique, put a measure here, measure meter, so 8 inch 8 inch, so this is a square of the pipe. And put also from the, so this is from the edge and from the top, and then after squareness, square is okay, square side is okay, and then top. Okay, now so if we have a flange, so flange is a very accurate alignment. So sometimes they have 1 mm, this is a 1 mm or 0 mm tolerance for the um, alignment of the hole, because this is important during uh, attaching from the pump. So this is a very important 0 tolerance. Okay, now if we have a pipe, so this is our pipe, and we have a flange here. Okay, and we have another a 5 here, and we have a flange again here. Okay, but this is already welded. Okay, and this is okay, and this is already inspected by inspector, piping inspector. Now we are fit up this flange to flange. Okay, so the important here is the hole. Make sure the hole is an alignment. Okay, I will draw a So this is the front view of the flange, and we have a hole, and then put an spirit level here. Okay, so we have a bubble. If bubble is already centered, so this is a hole is aligned. And also in from the another flange, make sure is also aligned. Okay, so I will draw here. This is the front, and then hole, and then we have spirit level here. Make sure the bubbles is center. Okay, this is the very important, the hole. Okay, now after that, alignment of the flange, and put a square here, and then measure 8 8. Okay, so this is aligned. Okay, from the top and from the side, and same procedure from the another flange. Put another square here, and then measure 8 8. So this is already aligned. Okay, but after fit up and after alignment of the 5-feeter, make sure the foreman also check the job of your 5-feeter. And then after that, call the piping inspector, and then check this your job, if your job is in quality, in procedure, and in specification. Okay, because pipe fitter, they have piping inspector, they have implemented the specification of the procedure of the project. Okay, call the inspector, and then check also the alignment, check the types of materials, if your types of materials or your fit up is correct. So all based on the drawing and based on the isometric, what is in a drawing, what is in a procedure must be correct from your job. Okay, so this is the important. If the QC, if the QC inspected and then signed, so this is approved by quality control. Okay, so this is pipe to flange only. We have another pipe to elbow. We have another fittings, outlet. Okay, so this is but they are the same procedure to alignment. Okay, but you must make sure that you have square, spirit level, and also meter. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and this is the part 1 of my alignment, and they have a lot more learning during beat up during job, and make sure your alignment is perfect. Bye bye, guys, and have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe and just comment my video. If you have a comment, just leave in a comment. Okay, bye bye, see you. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is the part 2 of my video, how to align the pipe and fittings. Okay, we have a pipe and 90 degrees elbow. So how many fittings? We have 1 2 3. So this is a weld neck flange, and this is OLED or weldolet. Okay, so how to align this pipe? And first is how to fit up this pipe and elbow. Okay, and also all these joints. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 joints, so we have 5 joints. Okay, So first, check your drawing, check your revision drawing. If your drawing is latest revision, this is a very important. Check your latest drawing, okay? Because if you are holding the old revision drawing and then you are finish fit up and then they have a new latest drawing, your job is useless. Cut out and make a fit up again, okay? So very important to check your drawing, the latest revision drawing. So by the way, okay, check your materials based on your drawing. Check your pipe, check your elbow, check your outlet, okay, check your weld neck flats are all must be checked based on the drawing, okay? And also we have a gap and standard of also standard of bevel, okay? We have, so this bevel is our bevel and they have standard of this bevel, okay? So this is 37.5 degrees, okay? And we have a gap of, based on a project specification of procedure, we have 3 mm to, this is a 4 mm maximum, okay? Now how to, this is a procedure, okay? This is, please take note, this is important. And now I will show you how to align this elbow, okay? So please, if you have tools from the 5-feeder, you have a right angle, spirit level, okay, meter of course. So place your right angle here, okay? And then put your meter here and also the meter here, okay? The same procedure with the uh, before my video for the flange. So this is 8 and this is 8, okay? So this is a square, and then put the spirit level from the top of this flange, okay? From the top of this from the top of this elbow, put the spirit level, okay? Maybe sometimes your elbow like this and from the side by side, so please check and put this spirit level from the top of the elbow, okay? After this one is already okay, and then tacking and also tack from the bottom, okay? The same procedure with this. This is also a elbow 90 degrees, so place your right angle here and then measure also side by side of the pipe. This is 7, this is 7, and then put the spirit level here and check the alignment, okay? And also this weldolette, so we have a pipe here, so this is 5 and this is our outlet. So just place the spirit here, spirit level. Okay, so y-axis and y and x-axis. Okay, and also after that one, tacking, and then check, pit up these plants. Make sure your hole are in alignment. Okay, so you cannot use here from this, just use this one from the right angle. Okay, so I will explain. This is a right angle, and so this is a top view. Okay, we have a top view, so this is a top view, and this is our pipe. So this is a main pipe. So top view, place your right angle, and then from the edge of the hole, and then after checking the edge of the same with the edge by edge of the hole, also check this alignment from the pipe. So this is your pipe and this is your right angle. Okay, check this one, check this one using your eyes. Okay, so if this one is okay, so your job is in quality. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DD channel. So this is a color coding. So you must know what is the color coding of the pipe, what of the color coding of the fittings, and what is the color coding of gasket and bolt and nut. Okay, but they have a different color coding by project specification. Okay, so actually this is for the what is the material, what is the ASTM code, and we have scheduling or thickness. Okay, so ASTM code is a American Society of Testing material. Okay, so first is material or item. First we have item. Okay, so our first is item. Pipes. So in the pipes, they have a different material. Okay, we have carbon steel, LTCS, alloy steel, and stainless steel. Okay, we have CS, LTCS, AS, and SS. Carbon steel, low temp carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel. Okay. First is carbon steel. So we have ASTM code. So we have API 5LB. This is seamless. Okay. We have API 5LB. And this is SAW. Okay, and we have also A106. Okay, this is always used for the processing. Okay, and for this API we have a different color. This is no color, and from this no color, this one And AY6 A106 is this is a color white. Okay, and they have also different thickness. Okay, in the AVI and 5LB, and this two have on this is a 10 thickness, and this I mean schedule 10 and schedule 20. Okay, so next is LTCS. So this is a low temp carbon steel, and ASTM code is this is A333 grade 6. This is a seamless, and we have A671 C65. Okay, and the color of this one 83 grade 6 is yellow, and we have sky blue. Okay, for this LTCS we have schedule 100 and schedule 100, and we have schedule 120. Okay, and we have a color of white, red, and blue. Okay, for this A33 grade 6 we have white plus red. Okay, and we have color blue plus this LTCS. Okay, please remember this one, LTCS A33 grade 6. Okay, and also SS. So this is stainless steel. We have a ASTM code, or American Society Testing Material Code. We have A312. Okay, type 304. Okay, this is a seamless, and we have 358. This is a 304 also, and we have 312. The type is 316. This is seamless, and we have 316L. Okay, for the 358. Okay, so they have also color. We have for this color 304, they have no color, and for the 316 is color black. Okay, it's a black, and we have a schedule of 6.4 mm, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, we have a color of blue, pink, red. For this 304 we have blue plus pink. Okay, we have orange and white. Okay, and we have also a AL brass. Okay, so this AL brass is 2871 P2 CSA 110, and this is no color, and we have a thickness of 1905. Okay, so next item is fittings. So remember, you must know what is a fittings. Okay, we have a fittings of elbow, we have 9 fittings of flange. Okay, that's all the fittings. And from these fittings we have also a carbon steel, LTCS, AS, and stainless steel. Okay, for the fittings we have a CS. Okay, for CS we have A234, and we have A105. This ASTM code. Okay, for the for the carbon steel. Okay, and we have LTCS. So our LTCS we have A420, and we have A350. This is for the low temp carbon steel. Okay, next is for the stainless steel. So we have a stainless steel 403 type 304, and we have A182. This is 316. Okay, and we have also for the stainless steel we have also A403. This is also a 304, and we have also 403. This is also a 304. Okay, so next is gasket. Okay, so remember this gasket, this is a very important for the plants. Okay, and we have OR and IR. So OR is outer ring and this IR is inner ring, and we have also a CR. So this CR is a center ring. For the spiral wound we have a 316L and 316L, 304. So that's all, and we have a bolt and nut. Okay, for the bolt and nut we have A193. This A193. Okay, we have A320 for the ASTM code. So this is for the bolt and nut. Okay, for the A193, this is a B7. Okay, and we have also this A320. We have L7. Okay, B7 and L7 for the bolts. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. This is a very important for the colored coding for the pipes, fittings, and gasket, and bolt and nut. Okay, for the materials, what is the materials and what is the American Society of Testing material code, and we have water color and thickness. Okay, guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye, see you.